In the world of smart homes, the air we breathe is just as important as the devices we use. The Smart Air Quality Sensor with Wi-Fi connectivity is your silent guardian, ensuring the air you breathe is clean and safe. This compact powerhouse monitors PM2.5, VOCs, humidity, and temperature, providing you with real-time data on your indoor environment. All-in-one monitoring. This sensor is designed to keep a watchful eye on everything that affects your air quality. PM2.5 particles, notorious for their health risks, are detected and reported instantly. VOCs, harmful chemicals often lurking in your home, are tracked to ensure they don't exceed safe levels. Additionally, the sensor measures humidity and temperature, helping you maintain a comfortable and healthy living space. Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless control. With built-in Wi-Fi, the sensor connects effortlessly to your home network. This feature allows you to monitor your air quality from anywhere, at any time. Imagine having the power to check your home's air quality while you're still at the office, or adjusting your home's settings as you're on your way back. Simple setup and maintenance. The sensor is designed with user convenience in mind. Setup is a breeze, with the sensor connecting to your Wi-Fi in minutes. Maintenance is minimal, thanks to its high-quality sensors that require infrequent calibration. The intuitive app guides you through setup and provides clear, actionable insights towards a healthier living space. Armed with real-time data from the Smart Air Quality Sensor, you can make informed decisions to improve your home's air quality. It's like having a personal assistant that tells you exactly when to refresh your home's air, ensuring you and your loved ones breathe easy. For more information on how this sensor can transform your home's air quality, don't hesitate to contact me. Visit my page and send an email using the address provided. I'll reply within 24 hours with comprehensive details. Let's make every breath a healthy one.